F-35 program progressing as planned, I would say. We will start the training in the United States at the early next year, flying training wise, and this fall our mechanics and maintainers are going to the US and start their training. As stated on the board, the rollout, which means that the first aircraft will exit the assembly line, and of which these pictures are kind of a recent pictures from the Lockheed Martin assembly line. Rollout is going to be 16th of December this year. F-35 and fourth and fifth generation integration has been on our topic list high, and this exercise, for example, enables us to do this integration with a bunch of these aircraft. We have F-35s, Typhoons, Rafales, F-15s, and this is kind of a key thing for us to be able to integrate all these capabilities in our air ups. This picture was from the previous exercise we had with the Dutch Air Force in our Bana exercise. As you could see, there's a highway strip landing going on.